I'm back. What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Brent, the ordinary man, the ordinary man. But I like to inform, educate, enhance. How? Mentally, spiritually, financially, and physically. Yes. Now, what I got to show you today is basically the whole process of Kilmat, the whole rear back seat, and adding the speakers to the rear seat area and the rear deck. So check it out. Day 3. Got all the seats out. And now, got all the back out. And now what we're doing is taking all the speakers out. And we're going to dyno the back. And we're going to be good to go. And then we're going to add the speakers. Infinity. What infinity? Infinity. What infinity? Infinity. Look how meticulous AT is. The whole back side. The whole back side. Even on the rear deck has dyno up there. Kilmat. Look at that. Yo, this boy is a beast. I told you he does surgeon. He's a surgeon. Okay, people. All Kilmat is installed on the back deck. Speaker, infinity speakers, Kilmat. It's all installed. Even the rear deck 6x9s are installed. And check. Kilmat is all to the rear. Now, what's next is amps gonna be installed. But yes, 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 and yes.